Have you tried every acne product under the sun? Do you break out every time you really try to eat healthy? Struggling to keep your raging hormones under control? Are your stressful friendships making you feel inflamed? Zits OK will help acne go away. Follow along with our Zits OK recipe and learn how to incorporate everyday herbs into your acne fighting regime. With actions like vulnerary, anti-inflammatory, astringent, and antimicrobial, those bacterial bumps don't stand a chance. Zits OK is not responsible for any hazards during salve making, time wasted attempting to recreate our absolutely beginner-friendly intuitive recipe, or the inability to forage or obtain the following herbs on your own. Symphytum officinalis, Melaleuca alternifolia, Hamamelis virginiana, Calendula officinalis, Plantago major, Matricaria camelilla, Lavandula vera, and Rosa officinalis.